What's going on, guys? Jacob Bardoti here, back for another vlog. It's been a little while, but today we're making some good progress on the wheels, the Work VSXXs. I found a guy that can actually take them apart. I had one that was really stuck, like 12 bolts or something like that were stuck and stripped. So what I did was I hired a guy named Griplo, that's his Instagram name. I'll have that in the description, but he's here in Sacramento and he rebuilds wheels. So he was able to knock them out and everything like that. Just paid him for the one. All the other ones are out now. And hopefully today we'll also drop them off for paint. But I gotta go pick up that face. But first I gotta go pick up that face. I'm gonna go try and meet up with Sabir so he can join us for the vlog and I can maybe show you around Griplo's spot. And then also hopefully maybe show you around the paint booth because that would be pretty sick. I think there's a couple really cool projects going on over there. Definitely need to wash my hands real quick.
By sheer coincidence.
Here he is. Nice. Hey, bud.
I can't hear a goddamn thing out my motherfucking mouth here.
Nice.
Nice.
Just got a filling.
I did just get a feeling. It's kind of hard to talk, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, perfect time to vlog.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, nice. This lane's open. We're just gonna.
You have another battery, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We're just gonna smoke them right here.
Dude, we're gonna have to smoke these fools.
Oh, 1,052 front wheel horsepower.
Yeah. You about to go down, dude. You don't even know. You're lucky you can't see us because of the temp, but we're talking some mad shit. This guy. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, it was a treat him.
Dude.
A treat him.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, get wrecked, bud.
Oh, let him know. Oh, let him know. Oh, he's actually like, it's a V6, it has to be.
Oh, yeah, no, he's actually kind of catching up here.
He's actually
no, that's not a V12. What are you talking about?
That's true.
That's the only way he can keep up with his.
He dipped on the entire squad that was back there, so he definitely got pissed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This guy's really gonna try passing you on Grand Line here.
Oh, I'm going at 60. Oh, he's really creeping on me.
Yeah, he's coming up, bud. Oh,
It's
bud.
yellow. It's yellow.
Oh, here we go. Stoplight race. Stoplight race.
Oh, jeez.
Need another turbo.
We do.
Gonna need 6 turbos now.
So yeah, we got a nice 45-minute commute here to get to the wheel guy, Griplo.
Did you bring the other 3?
Yes.
And then we're dropping off to who? Twinkie?
Twinkie. He hasn't responded to my text yet, but we're just gonna show up. Don't know where the shop is either.
I think it's on his page.
Yeah, it's probably on his page, but I guess we could just show up.
Yeah. Like, is he there at that time?
It's a business, right?
But is he there at that time?
Yeah, he's there at like random times.
Random
He'll be
times,
there,
yeah.
like-
That would be perfect. We just need him randomly to be there when we show up. Randomly.
We're randomly going.
Yeah, we're randomly going and he has to randomly be there.
Perfect.
That's how you
He's
do
not the
business.
only one there though.
Yeah, his employee that has no idea what to do except for sanding.
Well, I could just show him the text that
Oh, yeah.
agreed that I'm leaving my wheels.
Yeah.
You did all of that just to get off?
Really,
Fucking
bitch, for
fragile.
one? You still got dusted, though.
I did. Alright, so we made it to Griplo, so now we're gonna pick up the wheel. Knock knock. He just has all these wheels.
Oh, are these RE30s?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're RE30s. I wanted these for the WRX. And what, CE28s? These are sick. Oh, those are hella deep dish. Hold on.
A lot of them are pretty rounded off. And
Yeah. So what'd you do? Just like hammer on a socket or something?
yeah, so basically just took a socket and smacked it on and just wiggled it out basically.
Good. And it came right out after that?
Yeah, I mean that bolt, each nut too is pretty seasonal.
Nice. Did the face come out or?
Yeah, it just popped right out. So I saw
Yeah.
PV blasted it, so
Yeah.
it's pretty well lubricated.
Yeah. So everything came out pretty good.
Yeah.
paint coming off on me.
Yeah.
Nice.
We gotta call Twinkie here in a sec too.
It's 5 seconds of holding the wheel.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
I don't know where you want this. I'm just gonna fucking
Yeah,
send
just,
it.
Yeah, just put it right there. Perfect.
Oh, nice, bud.
Black towel. Alright, so now we just picked up the wheels from Griplo. Again, shout out to him. The link will be in the description for his Instagram so you can check out some of his work. Gotta make this light. Oh,
Dude, you didn't see that, but that was 4 gear drops
yeah.
and red line to make that light.
Dude.
30 feet away.
There we go. Like I said, we picked up the wheels. Now we're heading over to Javier's shop. He's like Twinkie or whatever on
Team
Instagram.
Twinkie?
Team Twinkie, yeah.
I think that's what it is.
I'll put his link down there too. He does some pretty good work, and I guess the real judge will be how these wheels turn out. So I'm gonna drop off the faces. He's gonna sand them, prep them, and all that stuff. And we're gonna decide on a color. And I'll show you guys some of the projects he has going on in there. There's a couple of cool ones. There's like, I think a Supra and an SC. We'll find out. But yeah, we're about like 2 miles away, 10 minutes away. So I'll update you guys whenever we get there.
This is where all you can paint all my cars. This is still test strips from the Amazi's Candy.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
And then my blue somewhere in there. But, there's a big dent. A truck rear-ended it and he knocked it in. I pulled it out. The paint's still a little fresh, actually. It's somewhat dry, but still. See, like I blended the paint here, and then I didn't. He didn't want the. This is the quarter pound.
Oh yeah, you could tell it's a little bit more metallic right here.
Yeah. And he didn't want to fix this until later.
Oh damn.
Oh, yeah, that's all done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you even fix that? You just pull it out?
Strip the bumper, take off the light, and depending on how or what it got like hit, use a frame machine to pull it out or something like that. But
The next morning.
So it's actually the next day, and what I did was I dropped off the wheels for paint. I don't know how much I really recorded there. I guess we'll find out when I'm editing. But I dropped the wheels off for paint, and I also today ordered some hardware. So I have full chrome hardware, all new hardware, 160 bolts plus the locking nuts on the back. So that's going to be all new and refreshed, and it's going to look sick. So the color I actually went with, I don't know if I wanted to keep it a surprise or not, but it's actually a Supra paint code. So I'll have the picture here or something like that. But it's going to be like a metallic silver. It'll look awesome. It'll be bright in the sun, but then darker in shade, which, I mean, makes sense for wheels because with the lips and the tires and fenders and stuff, it'll look different. But that's going to be a really cool color, and I'm excited to see how it turns out. They should be done in about a week, week and a half. So until then, I'll go ahead and end the wheel vlog here. I'll probably do other vlogs where I'm hanging out with my friends. I do have one that will be coming up with Roscoe. I want to go through the garage and kind of give you guys an update on what he's been doing and how all of his projects are coming along. So that should be coming soon. So definitely subscribe because that's going to be an awesome video. I know a lot of you guys love Roscoe's garage, so it's going to be awesome. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up right here. So comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.